Girl is back with another vlog. Alright, so I'll be going to Hellshire today to eat some of them nice steamed fish. Like, steamed fish is my favorite fish to eat. What is your favorite fish to eat, guys? Let me hear it down in the comments. I don't like fried fish, it's too dry. Brown stew fish is alright, but steamed fish with the okra, pumpkin, all of that niceness on it, that's my favorite. So that is what I'm going to go and eat today. I am starved. I am starved. I haven't had even tea since morning. As you could see, I went to get my toes done and it's now 1:33. I'm on my way to Hellshire Portmore, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm at Hellshire now. I stopped at this place called Blacker. I think it was a Blacker's place. Yeah, that's where I stopped to have fish that day. Alright, so those were the fishes that we took. It was $1,000 a pound, I think, and we took 5 pounds. It was 2 big hefty fishes. Alright, but I know that was $10,000 worth of fish. On a Thursday at Hellshire is like any other day, I guess, except for the crowd. You still have the pitcherman them on the beach. You still have the horseman on the beach. You know, everybody are doing little hustling. Tourists were on the beach getting them sunbath. Yes, that's that lady over there. And yeah, while they're loving the sun, I'm trying to keep away from the sun. Like, I never ever understand it, but yeah. Alright, so while I was there waiting on my fish to come out, I was just admiring the beach. Alright, yeah, and admiring myself at the same time. So this is the fish. I was quite impressed with the look of the fish, right? This is what I love to see about the fish. This is what I was saying. I love the pumpkin, the okra, everything. Festival? I can't eat my fish without my festival, alright? So at Blackers, you have the option to choose festival or plantain, alright, and of course I chose festival. So guys, I wasted no time. My driver arrived in same time. Yeah, the only thing about this vlog is that I have to mute everything out. Alright, there was so much music playing, like straight through, so much music playing, and I don't want to get copyright, so I had to mute it. Alright, but over there is a vibe. Trust me when I tell you guys, it is a vibe. And this spot right here that we stopped at, yeah, it's a really nice, like, it's not out in the open, it's like to itself, and it's a nice chill spot. Alright, right by the sea, and it's not crowded. I don't know if it was a Thursday, but yeah, it just wasn't crowded. Alright, so I was trying my best to get you guys to see what I was eating, the food and me eating and everything, because you know said I can be nice, but I just couldn't eat and hold the camera at the same time. So yeah, I tried. But guys, listen, I don't eat bami, and when I tell you that bami was everything, like, I don't know if you could see the expression on my face when I bite into that slice of bami. Like, it was just everything, guys. We can take both of the bami. I just want to go back to Hellshire just for the bami. Like, the bami was so good. It was so well done. It just soft and nice. Like, usually when I go out and like seafood restaurant and people order fish and their side is boiled bami, I think boiled bami them call it. All these things say, like, are these people crazy? Oh, you must eat boiled bami. I not even like the fried bami, and them eat the boiled bami. But listen, if you don't try it, guys, trust me, you try it and let me know what you think about it. Like, the bami, like, until the festival, when me love festival, not even a festival, I could eat as quickly as I ate that bami. Like, the bami just soft, nice, like, it was just nice. Alright. I could not eat off all of the fish. I had to leave a little part, but you don't know Jamaican style, we'll box it up and carry it home. Alright, so, and of course Jamaican style again, I had to like dip my feet, yeah, in the water because I can't go Hellshire, I can't go to a beach and what wet my foot like, what is that? So that's all I was doing here, wetting my foot, and it's about to be the end of day 1. Alright. Hey guys, alright, so leaving Hellshire now. I couldn't, as you could see, I couldn't eat all of that big mighty fish, but gonna leave the rest for later. Alright, so if this video is too short, then I think I'm going to add something else to it, like when I go on the road tomorrow or the other day. If not, then you'll be seeing just this my Hellshire vlog up. Alright, so that's all for now. Alright guys, so we are here for day 2, and guess where we're at? We are back at Hellshire. Yes guys, I went back to Hellshire. I was trying to go to Fort Clarence Beach, but I don't know, I must have been living under a rock or something, because when I pulled up to Fort Clarence I saw the big old close sign. Alright, so the beach is closed, so I stepped back at Hellshire. I wanted to show you these shrimp, like if you go to a beach and you don't eat these shrimp, then something wrong with them. Also, tell me now, another series or another episode in the series Jamaica is not a real place. The car man, him drive him car onto the sand and there it was stuck. He took a whole like hour trying to get the car out of the sand. Alright, so this was me just enjoying the beach. Of course, it was a beer vibe here. A lot of music playing, so I had to mute it out again. Here goes the madman. I don't know if I can say this on YouTube, but there he was, finessing the sand. Alright, so guys, just keep on watching. So we're at the end of day 3, another day at the beach, and the start of day 3. I am gonna be showing you some things, some Christmas items. I just wanted to see some decor, so just enjoy watching with me or window shopping, whatever. yards. 1370 for things. They have pink. I don't know, this is so big. My door is so humongous for my door.